Oh. Not like a car aerial, but an aerial.
So this is highly sought after.
Highly.
And
this is from the newer series.
That's right.
The Witches of Mercury. The Witch of Mercury. The Witches. Yep. And that's all I can say because I don't know anything about it because last time it was in, it sold out before. We
sold out in a couple of days. So if you missed out on aerial, make sure you head on over. So these aren't in the system yet, but they will be shortly.
Well, they only just came in like half an hour ago.
So that's all we'll let you know.
These are hot off the press.
Yes.
These will be on the shelves and ready for dispatch.
Shortly.
I love it. Are you up to speed on the Witches of Mercury?
Not at all. Because in the past, when the new series came out, you have your core fans and they'll have some of the models that went with it. But for some reason, this particular one has become super popular.
Well, it's the best.
Must be.
Yeah.
Must be.
Well, next Wednesday,
Aerial.
When you're not watching maths.
What do you mean?
When maths isn't on.
Oh, you mean the day it's not on? Because if you're watching it any other day.
Yeah, when it's not on, you should catch up on your Witches of Mercury. I highly recommend it.
Do you?
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much.
Highly recommend it.
I like that. All right, so since we're talking about that.
What else have we got?
This came in as well. So it's not new, but we've got a restock.
Is the box new?
No.
I've never seen Barbatos in that box.
This is a big Barbatos, an MG, and these usually sell it really quick.
Oh.
I haven't seen him in a little while.
But really, he is the most popular character, yeah? Can I say that?
I reckon
he's the highest selling character in the Gundam range.
It's got a very different aesthetic compared to the rest of the Gundams. It's really edgy, quite aggressive looking, very thin waist.
Slender. Performance based.
So I guess it's less humanoid. Like the original, what I mean is the original types of designs, the aesthetics, look like if they're scaled for a person, it'll look like a person would fit into the suit. These definitely not. So these look like they're definitely designed for performance. Well, they've got open parts, actuators.
I'd want performance in my life-saving.
There you go.
It's a very
Barbatos.
busy. It's a very busy box art, isn't it? It's very busy.
It's really showing action.
It's shocking. Confronting.
Have you been shocked, have you?
A little bit. How long would this take me to build, Beach?
Probably a weekend.
Whoa!
You like that?
And when you say weekend, no, I mean like
a long weekend?
For a new person getting into Gundam, now you don't need like tools.
See the figures there?
What would you need? You need your 9 steps knife.
Yes.
Yeah. You'd probably want your 9-step sanding stick.
Yep.
And that's it.
Side cutters.
Yep.
Nippers.
Your essential side cutters.
Yep.
And if you got to it, you don't need glue.
You
don't really need paint. No, because it's all beautifully colored.
That's right. So you see the sticker.
How many hours do you think it would take a newbie to get into it?
Newbie. This is something I wouldn't normally advise for a newbie because of the number of bits. But I reckon non-stop, no food stops, no toilet stops, probably a weekend.
Yeah. So if I put a nappy on?
Yeah. That's proven. That'll be a good choice.
Wouldn't have to stop?
You wouldn't have to stop. No cleanup involved. Yeah.
That's fantastic. So you reckon it would take you there'd be 48 hours working this?
If you want to be crazy fast, yeah. Most people would just do a little bit at a time.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Yeah. But even then, you would say it's going to take you 40, 50 hours to assemble that.
I reckon.
Value for money, though. That's a really good way to spend your time, no?
Yeah. And these MGs have really good joints too.
And they're posable, and you can play with it in the sand pit, do stop motion.
Yep. Yeah.
I love it.
Looks good.
I'm a huge fan.
You like that?
I do.
There
I like
you go.
that one.
So that's Bandai.